Hey guys, that is mine cat.
No.
Josh, stop. His name is Universe. I named my cat's name Universe.
Hey,
See? And here is Cosmo, which is running around doing crazy things. Cosmo, can I see your face?
You won't.
Did you get a picture of him?
I'm getting a video.
Oh, all right.
See? He likes to.
He's purring now.
He likes me. See?
He like. Come to daddy.
He likes me a lot. He likes sitting
Alright, watch
next
out.
to me.
Was that tissue paper? Thanks.
Dad.
Oh, stay back. Get back.
I did him.
This is documentary 1.0 of my cats.
And that's the
And
animal.
This is Universe.
He
Say hi, Universe.
Hi.
My name's Universe. Yeah. This is Universe. He is 6 months old. I mean 7 months old. No 6. No 7. I forget. And these are my cats. Let's go check on him. He's eating. And can I see your face?
He won't listen.
As you
He
can,
won't even listen to me.
as you can see him biting and chomping down. Right
Yo,
there.
what's up?
Stop, drop.
There.
Stop. See, they're cute. They're giant tail, dove, nice and orange and furry. They're giant legs. Joshua, don't even touch them.
No. Is it pretty?
And that's him right there.
And that me right there. Jim, I take the picture of his butt.
Right. And bye.